Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown, a beginner's guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be continuing in our Walther series. This is going to be the Walther PPS Breakdown. Thank you so much for joining with me today, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, we're going to make sure that this weapon is pointed in a safe direction. This weapon does not have a true safety. So we're going to go ahead and remove the source of ammunition, which is the magazine. And we're going to take that out. Nothing in there. Set that to the side. Keeping it pointed in a safe direction, we're going to rack the slide back to the rear and lock it in place with the slide release bar right here. Pushing that up. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. I see nothing, I feel nothing, and the weapon is clear. Okay. So we're going to send that forward, and for this, you have to pull the trigger to make sure that you can take the slide off. So the trigger lock bar is going to be on both sides. It's one solid piece, very similar to a Glock. So you're going to pull this side down at the same time as this side right here. Okay, so pull the slide back just a little bit. Pull both sides down, and there you go. Now your slide can come off of your trigger housing group, and we can set that to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and take off our guide rod and our spring. We're going to set that down. And next is going to be our barrel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that and we're going to remove it. And we're going to set it down to the side. And now you have completely disassembled your Walther PPS pistol. All right, let's go ahead and put it back together. So we grab our slide, you're going to grab our barrel. We're going to go ahead and put this into the larger hole, making sure that the hook side is facing down. And this little ramp piece right here that goes into this concave area, that's where your guide rod and spring is going to sit. Okay, now that that's in, we're going to go ahead and put in our guide rod and spring. We're going to set that into the concave piece right in there. And now we're going to line this up, and we're going to go ahead and put our slide back on by sliding it on all the way and then racking it. And now we're going to perform what's called a functions check on the pistol to make sure that we put everything back together the way that it needs to go. So first things first, we're going to pull the trigger for a click. Now we're going to reset the trigger by racking the slide back. This time you're going to hold the trigger down, and then you're going to rack the slide at the same time while still holding it down. Click, rack, and then when you let go of the trigger, you should hear a soft clunk noise. And then pull the trigger again for a click. Rack the slide again. And there you go. Now you've reset your firing pin, and now you've completely disassembled and reassembled your Walther PPS pistol. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Anything you guys do will help with the algorithm on YouTube. This will help me be able to reach out to more people that need this knowledge. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day.